Hello, Michael. This is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I got permission from Charity to send you over a video about how you can improve your online presence. So, just taking a look at your website, it's a really nice and quaint website. Uh, got your name, of course, got all the different information for the location, and then you have your phone number. What you don't have, unfortunately, is your phone number as a click to call. You want to get them on the phone as quickly as possible, um, just so they can, of course, make contact because then they'll be less likely to just back out and go to the next person. You want them talking. So making this a click to call would be super important, as well as you can see, there's not much here. So what we're looking for, or what Google is now looking for on their sites or on the ranking sites, are 1,500 to 2,000 words on their homepage, and then of course more content on their back pages. The reason for that being is so you can put organic keywords throughout your site. Now, what an organic keyword is a buyer intent word that someone's putting into Google in order to find your specific service. So before we get into that, let's take a look behind the scenes at your website. The way we do that is with Ahrefs. So we put it in, we put your website in, out pops your ranking. So as you can see, your UR and your DR rating. Those are the two most important things. Now, your UR rating is the strength of your website, and the DR rating is the trust Google places in your website. Now, ideally, we want these between 30 and 40, both of them, with the ratio of 1 to 1. Now, you do have the ratio of 1 to 1, but we're a little low. So the way we get those up are with backlinks. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, a backlink, if you have like 100 backlinks for Wikipedia boosting this up, that would be kind of useless and work against you because Wikipedia is super spammy. However, if you have a lot of backlinks from flooring blogs, that would be great because that's relevant to your services. Now, I jumped the gun a little bit. What a backlink is any link that leads from one website back to yours. And then we have the two examples of the Wikipedia and the flooring blog. Now, another important thing are what organic keywords or buyer intent words are you ranking for? Now, you have 39 of them, so let's check out what they are. Coastal, 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 laminate. You have no keywords that you're ranking for. You have Philly commercial, Philly Queen commercial. You have no keywords that you're actually ranking for that would put you, first of all, in any location. So none of these would actually bring buyer intent traffic through your site unless, of course, they're looking for you in particular. Then that's cheating. Um, so as far as getting new clients, that's not going to happen with the keywords you have right now. None of them are bringing in, or none of them are buyer intent words. So let's check out what one of those buyer intent words would be. I'm going to use Lafayette. That's the closest big city. So Flooring Lafayette, Louisiana. So first thing that pops up is your G&B. Now this is super important to get on because 30 to 40% of all people stop right here and pick one of these guys because that's just the easiest thing to do. Doesn't mean they're the best, just means that's the easiest thing because they're the top three, they must be good. And then you have your organic rankings. This is by strength of website. So your top competitor in Lafayette would be Floor Trader, which they have a lot of locations, so they're not they're more of a franchise-ish type store. So what we're going to do, we're just going to break them down. So Floor Trader Outlet, they have their different flooring. They have what they do. Apply for a credit card. You know they're pretty big when you can apply for a credit app. And then, of course, they just go through talking about it's a very generic website because it's built by someone else. They don't actually have control over it. But what Floor Trader does do, let's check behind the scenes and why they're ranking number one. So as you can see, we put them in. They have a strength of 31 and a trust of 11. So it's still stuff they can work on, but they're doing really well because they have 791 strong backlinks. Now, another thing they're doing really well are their organic keywords. They have 443 different keywords that they're ranking for. Let's check what their buyer intent words are. So Flooring Lafayette. 300 people search that. They're in the first real position, as you saw. 42 people are coming to their site just from that. Flooring Store, 200 people. They're in the first real position. 30 people, buyer intent people, are coming to their site just from that. Lafayette Flooring, same deal. 15, they're in the second or third real position. 15 people from that. So they're getting a little over 10%, a little over 10% from all these keywords, which they're doing really well on. So if we're looking to beat them out, first things first, we got to get strong backlinks. A lot of these links are not working with you, and they're all from the same domains. So we want to get what a referring domain is what website is leading back to yours. That's a referring domain. So most of these backlinks are from the same websites, and they're not really helping you. So we got to raise those backlinks up strong. Good thing is, we know these are working for them. So you can always go to Floor Trader, take theirs, add them to yours, and then you should start seeing that your DR start slowly raising. Then, of course, you got to get content. Right now, your pages are a little small. They don't have a lot of words on them. You want to expand. You want to get 1,500, 2,000 words throughout your homepage, and then, of course, expand on your service pages and location pages. Get those organic keywords throughout your site so that Google can start ranking you for buyer intent words. You do that, you should start seeing that traffic go through your site and start seeing more calls through your website. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, Michael, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome. You have a blessed rest of your day.